Let's face it, rent is high, income is meh, and you, living in a tiny apartment, wondering if you'll ever build wealth. But what if I told you that you don't need to own a penthouse to make passive income? In fact, your little apartment might be the secret weapon you never noticed. Let's turn that 600 square feet box into a money-making machine. Part 1. Rethink passive income. First things first, passive income doesn't mean zero work. It means smart systems. Do something once, get paid again and again. You don't need a big house. You need a big idea. And that tiny apartment of yours, it's full of possibilities. Think about it. Most people sit in their apartments and scroll, but you can sit there and build. Passive income is about setting something up once, then letting it earn while you sleep. In your small space? That's not a limitation, it's your lab. Part 2. Rent out your space. Got a couch? You've got cash. Airbnb, spare room rentals, even your living room can become a rentable space. In big cities, people pay just to crash for a night. Yes, your IKEA futon could make you money. Just clean up, take good photos, and maybe offer snacks. If you're allowed to rent out a room, or even just a bed, you could earn enough to cover part of your rent. Hosting guests means flexibility. Weekend bookings only? Cool. Hosting once a month? That works. It's your space, your rules, your income. Part 3. Rent out storage or parking. Got an empty closet or an used corner? That could be cash in your pocket. Apps like Neighbor or Spacer let you rent out storage space to others. Bikes, boxes, off-season clothes. You'd be shocked what people need room for. And if you have a parking spot in a city, that's a gold mine. Rent it during work hours or for overnight storage. You don't even need to meet the person. Just set it up and get paid automatically. Part 4. Turn it into a business hub. You don't need to rent an office to launch a business. Your living room, bedroom, even your kitchen table can become your HQ. Start a YouTube channel. Sell digital downloads. Create content. Record a podcast. People have built six-figure businesses in 400 square feet. Got skills? Package them. Create a course on something you know. Turn your designs into print-on-demand t-shirts. Use platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Shopify to go from hobby to hustle. Part 5. Host experiences. People don't just want a place to stay. They want something to do. Host a cooking class, teach art, offer a storytelling night in your space. Airbnb Experiences makes this possible from your own apartment. Don't underestimate what you know. Sharing your culture, your hobbies, or your local knowledge can become a paid experience. If you have personality and passion, people will pay to be part of it. Part 6. Build and sell knowledge. Turn your knowledge into digital products. Write an ebook. Create an online course. Offer coaching sessions, all from your apartment. Use platforms like Teachable, Kajabi, or Podia to deliver your content. Share your journey. Teach people what you've learned. It could be real estate, budgeting, design, or fitness. There's an audience for everything. Digital products scale. You make it once and sell it again and again. That's real passive income. Part 7. Leverage content creation. Content is king. Document your journey. Turn your tiny space into a story. Create short videos, share your tips, talk about your side hustles. People love authenticity. You don't need a mansion or a studio. Just be real. Build an audience and brand will follow. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. They're free tools to turn your story into income. Part 8. Start small, grow smart. None of this is overnight. But small steps today create massive change tomorrow. Rent a room, launch a course, make a post. Your apartment isn't holding you back. It's holding your future. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. That's how wealth is built. Let's recap. Rent out your space. Monetize storage. Launch a biz from home. Sell your knowledge. Teach what you know. Build content from your life. You don't need more space. You need more strategy. If this video lit a fire in you, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below, and let's make your apartment the most profitable box on the block.